Hey guys, I did this really cool thing today and I had to share it with you all. Have you ever thought about making your own glitter colors? You know those chunky glitters that you see that you just like, oh, I gotta have the color, but maybe you don't have the money at the time or you don't want to wait for shipping? Well, what I'm using is Jumbo Glitter Crystal Quartz from Walmart, and I am going to make this into my own color. Check this out. All you need is an alcohol ink of your choice. I want to say all of them work, but I haven't tried all of them, so don't take my word for it. I'm gonna use blue. I think the pinata colors are such pretty colors and they go on the cups so vibrant. I'm gonna try and mix this up. This is, like I said, the Crystal Quartz Walmart glitter, the jumbo glitter. All you have to do is have something to mix the glitter in, your alcohol ink, and something to stir with. I'm just using a blackhead pick thing. I use this for weeding vinyl. Creativity is one of those things that we do, right? So use what you got. All you do, take a couple of drops, pour it in your glitter, and mix it up. It's that easy. Once you're done mixing, you wait for it to dry, and you have your own specialty glitter color. This, with the green from the original quartz, would be such a perfect color for any mermaid cup. Isn't that beautiful? So like I said, you just wait for it to dry, then you have your own beautiful color. It's wet still, so of course it's going to leave marks on my hand. And it's going to be clumpy in the beginning. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to do another color of glitter and show y'all that you could do it with a different size. I'm going to use Glitz from Recollections. I'm going to do a little bit. Now this is going to be clumpy because it's small, or it's fine, super fine. And it's going to be wet. Same method. Few drops. You always want to recap your alcohol inks because they will go and evaporate quickly. Well, that's an interesting thing in there. Okay. Mix, mix, mix. I'm actually going to use the other side of this. Looks like it'll do a little better because it's wider. I think this is now my favorite glitter color. I'm probably going to do a whole big batch of this one. I don't know if you can tell, but it is so vibrant. I'm recording this on my phone and the color doesn't look true, but it's like this bright, hot magenta, almost hot pink. It's so pretty. Okay, yeah, so you guys are definitely going to see a cup with this color on it coming soon. I'll use this color in the video that I do with applying the custom glitter colors to your cups. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the bell button and subscribe.